Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply create an audience in Mailchimp. So let's start. It's really important to say, for a free plan you have only one audience, right? But if you want to have more audiences, you gonna be with Essential, Standard or Premium version. So there's like for you to know that we're gonna create like the first audience, and what you want to do is simply go here to audiences, and you're gonna see create audience. This is important, guys. If you have already audience, you're gonna see this like a drop down menu, and you want to click on it, and you will see down below like view all audiences, and again you're gonna see create audience. So let's create audience. We will add the name WordPress newsletter, default, okay, from name Marek, and then like add address here and phone and everything. You can also enable double opt-in if you want to, or enable GDPR, and click save. Oh, you signed through. Nice. And also I recommend like having notifications of daily summary. That's what I recommend to do. Click save now, and voila, here we have it. And this is what I wanted to show you. When you're gonna create an audience and you're gonna manage audiences, you want to click view audiences, and you can create an audience right here. It's the same as I like showed you in the beginning, but it's really important to say again, in free version you can have only one. So that's pretty much it, and this is how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.